Hello and welcome back to Studio E. Learn English here, anytime, anywhere. Today we're going to continue to learn the sounds of the letters of the alphabet. We've already learned in previous lessons the sounds for letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. Today we are going to learn the sounds for the letters J, K, and L. J is a consonant. J has the same sound as the soft G. Remember, that's J, J. Your tongue is behind your top teeth. J, J. Jam, jam. Judge, judge. Journal, journal. Jolly jesters jingled and jumped joyously. Jolly jesters jingled and jumped joyously. J, J. Let's move on to the letter K. K is a consonant, and the letter K usually has the same sound as the hard C. Kitchen, kitchen. Marker, marker. Or book, book. The crook took the cookies from the kitchen. The crook took the cookies from the kitchen. Got it? The K also can be completely silent and make no sound at all. The K is silent when it comes before an N. So, when the K is silent, it's just like making the N sound. We will learn the sound of the letter N in more detail in the next video. For example, in the word night, night, knit, knit, knapsack, knapsack. The knight carried a knife and knitting needles in his knapsack. The knight carried a knife and knitting needles in his knapsack. Let's move on to the letter L. L is a consonant, and the sound of L is like L. The tongue is behind your top teeth and it's curled. Lamp, lamp. Love, love. Lemon, lemon. Lee learned language lessons little by little. Lee learned language lessons little by little. That's L. And that's all for today's lesson. We learned the sounds for the letters J, K, and L. Next time, we'll learn the sounds for the letters M, N, and O. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day.